Welcome to this video on crime scene investigation, commonly known as CSI. This video will provide an overview of the roles, duties, types of evidence, suspects, and the eventual outcome of a case. Several professionals are called to a crime scene, including police first responders, crime scene investigators, forensic experts, a medical examiner, and the investigating officer. The duties of a CSI involve securing the scene, documenting it through photos and sketches, searching for, collecting, and preserving evidence, and maintaining the chain of custody. Evidence can be biological, such as blood and DNA, physical, like weapons and bullets, trace elements like fibers or soil, impressions like fingerprints, or digital evidence from mobiles or CCTV. Suspects are categorized as primary, secondary, or persons of interest. They are identified by examining their motive, means, and opportunity. The case concludes after forensic analysis is completed, a charge sheet is filed, and a court trial leads to a judgment, which is either a conviction or acquittal. Some cases may become cold cases. The CSI workflow follows 6 steps: crime reported, scene secured, evidence collected, lab analysis, suspect identified, and finally, trial and judgment. Thank you for watching this video on crime scene investigation.